Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ian at All Out Adventure. Today's video I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the LS2 Explorer Silver 1 helmet. I was in the range for was looking to buy a new mid-range helmet, so I went for the Explorer. I'm going to give you a lowdown on it. I'm not affiliated with LS2, I'm not promoting their products. I'm just going to give you an honest opinion on what I think about the helmet, and then I'll give you a run out when I wear it outside and we'll see how we got on with it. Yep. Comes with a nice all padded carry bag. Again, pretty sleek it. I'm liking this already. I had a little look earlier on before I went and actually done the unboxing. But yeah, I'm more than happy with the how it's packaged, how it's protected, and this is a pretty sturdy bag, to be honest. Straight out of the bag then, comes in your carry case, your protector. Again, pretty sleek it, and the helmet itself. I went with this helmet primarily just because well, most of the time you look for a helmet, you normally go for the looks. Obviously I read the reviews and stuff on it. I was in the kind of range for a more aggressive off-road type helmet, although something that doesn't offer me the suitability for the longer range travel and stuff. So after having read the reviews on this particular helmet, I think it's going to do the job that basically says on the packet. So vent wise, you can see the aggressive look of it. There's more vents in this helmet than you actually know what to do with. From the face vents, round to the side vents, all the way around to the back, and then you've got the normal ones at the top, offering you loads of ventilation as well from the front, and then these ones actually serve a purpose as well. From an aerodynamic perspective, and after having read the reviews, all the vents do serve a purpose, and they are positioned to offer the most aerodynamical benefit from it when you're actually riding distance or out in the open roads. And then obviously the scoop visor as well. I think that offers quite a lot of protection, and it's going to serve good purpose there as well. That's interchangeable. You can move it backwards or forwards, different positions that you want it. And likewise, all the vents are interchangeable as well. You can have them in any position that you want. The visor, this is one of the largest screen visors I've came across in an adventure helmet. This is going to offer you maximum view whilst you're riding. And yeah, what's new to me is the button release at the front. So how it's opened is one up, one down, and then clip into place, button to release it. Likewise, the sun visor is on the left hand side, so I'm a little bit wary of how my Cardo is going to fit to this helmet. I'm going to have to play about with it and have a look, because normally your Cardo comms kit will just fit onto the left hand side there and clip on, so I may have to look at how that's going to fit, but I'm going to do a separate video on how the Cardo fits onto the helmet. But the sun visor, again, it's operated just by pulling down on the latch, and again that's quite a big sun visor. It comes almost all the way down to the bridge of the nose. So it's not going to be interfering with your field of view, which I think is quite good on this helmet as well. But yeah, all in, I'm liking the look of the helmet, I'm liking the feel of it. And in total, I think this helmet weighs in just under 1500 grams, which is really light. So if you're on these long rides, 2-3 days, maybe adventure rides, and you're going to be wearing your helmet most of the time, I think this is going to be ideal. Underneath then, you can see the cheek piece there, you've got good firm cheek piece. And what I really liked about the fastening of it is the fact that this new design has the magnet, clip and pull, quick release, and all it is pulling that away, and that's it. Which I think will be quite easily fastened and unfastened even when wearing your gloves as well. So I really like that system where it's just a magnet and you're pulling away, like such. Yeah, cheek pieces, again, easy access. Medical services need to get to you if you do come off your bike and you need to get your helmet off you in a hurry. It's got that pull away system, which is quick release, and they can pull your cheek pads straight out from the helmet. Again, I think that's quite a good design that they've included in the helmet as well. So yeah, all in, I'm more than happy with the helmet, the design, the weight, and the maximum ventilations that this helmet has to offer. What I'm going to do now is I'll take it out for a run, I'll get the camera fitted up to it, and I'll get the mic fitted and so you can hear the noise, etc. And then I'll give you my honest opinion on it when I'm wearing it actually out on the road. But yeah, LS2 Adventure Explorer 701. So far it's ticking all the boxes, so we'll see how we got on with it. Thanks for watching. If you want to follow on in my next video, I'm going to be doing the Cardo communication setup on it, and we'll see how we got on with fitting that. So yeah, thanks for watching.